is a para completion question in which the last line of a given paragraph is deleted. We are given 4 options and we are to identify that one option which will fit as the last sentence of this paragraph. Let us look at the paragraph. The paragraph talks of a report by a think tank which says that certain LNG projects will become stranded if certain action is taken to limit climate change. The second sentence says that LNG projects are important for particular countries in order to help them fully exploit their gas reserves. Let us look at the options. Option A. The analysis found Shell's agreed takeover of BG makes it by far the biggest player in the market, and $85 billion of the combined company's potential LNG projects would not be needed. Now, option A talks of Shell and BG which are not mentioned in the passage, and we cannot really find a link between the option and the paragraph. Option B. The report concludes that over the next 10 years, $82 billion of LNG plants in Canada would be surplus to requirements, $71 billion in the US and $68 billion in Australia, with the rest of the world accounting for the remaining $59 billion. Now, the key word here is concludes. Nothing in the passage or the paragraph suggests such a conclusion. Moreover, there seems to be a missing link between this line and the given paragraph. The missing link is a statement which would suggest that there would be, due to the global action, there will be surplus of LNG, and this surplus of LNG will be divided amongst these companies in the given way. So option B is also incorrect. Option C. But the new analysis shows that if emissions are cut to keep global temperature rise below the international agreed target, many LNG projects being considered will not be needed. This is a contrast to the statement 2, the second sentence in the paragraph. The second sentence in the paragraph talks about the importance of LNG projects to certain countries. Option C takes it forward saying, irrespective of the importance, the new analysis shows that many LNG projects will not be that are being considered will not be needed because the requirement of fuel will decrease. Option D. So option C is a good answer. Let us look at option D. Carbon Tracker has pioneered this analysis which has been backed by the Bank of England and the World Bank. This sentence is definitely related to the first sentence of the paragraph, but when the second paragraph comes into picture, option D loses a link and does not follow the second sentence, so it is incorrect. Hence, the correct answer to this question is option C.